So today we're going to make eggs and bacon. So first we're going to make a circle for the plate. And then you're going to make a circle inside for on the inside of the plate. And now we're going to make the bacon outline. So it's do zigzag and then go up. More zigzags, go down. And if you want to add a smiley face to it, you can. Now we're going to make the eggs. So make a circle, then a circle inside, and you can make a smiley face if you want. And now we're going to color. So first we're going to get a browning color of bacon. And now you're going to get yellow for the inside of the egg. So right here. And then you have your bacon and eggs. See you next time. And don't forget to subscribe.